guys, welcome back to Aisha Ray Vlogs, and in this episode I'm going to show you all how to make marble tea cakes. So let's go.
All the ingredients
This is
are right
all
here.
my recipes. We have butter, eggs, sugar, flour, baking powder, salt, and I have another bowl with flour, baking powder, salt, and cocoa powder, and I have sugar here. So I'm going to be adding the butter. Then I'm gonna be adding sugar. Emulsify, we're gonna add eggs into this. Now we're gonna add flour. Warm some cream and we're gonna add it into that batter. Now we're gonna repeat the process. So I have my tins right here. I'm gonna line this all with parchment paper. All these molds with butter. All these tins are lined.
Now for the marble tea cake, we have two batters. The one is the normal vanilla and the other one is the chocolate. So the one I showed in the beginning, just repeat the process. And in the next batter, only difference is there's cocoa powder in the batter. So that's the only addition. Now once the batter is ready, you will repeat the process of adding the chocolate and the vanilla layer by layer in the tins, like I've shown in the video here.
Fill the batter in all the tins. This is the part where we're going to do the marble. Okay, you take a knife, you hold it like this, turn it, right? Okay. So we're gonna do this. So now we got the marble texture here. We're gonna do it for all these tins, the same thing. Yes. Pick it up. This one. Okay. Now we're gonna pipe soft butter. Pipe a very thin line in the middle of the batter. Straight line, okay? Tins are lined with butter and all set. We're gonna cling film this and keep it in the chiller overnight. So I have chilled in the chiller overnight and I have baked it. I will show you how the tea cake turned after it's baked.
This is the final product. This is how it's gonna look like after baking, and I will show you the inside after cutting. Look at that. Look at that marbling effect. It's so incredible. In the next video, I'll show you how to make za'atar tea cakes. So let me know in the comments below if you like this video.
And the temperature of the tea cakes have put down in the caption below. So do check it out. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.